Meditation's a powerful way to connect with your inner wisdom and allow your inner energy to reveal itself naturally. So, in today's meditation, you will not only ground yourself, but you're going to visualize your ideal year, quarter, month, and you're going to notice what energy emerges. So, this is a practice of listening to your heart and spirit. So, I invite you to join me. Welcome to this guided meditation to help you choose an energy for your new year. Find a quiet and comfortable space where you won't be disturbed for the next few moments. You could sit or lie down in the position that feels comfortable for you. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in, bringing your awareness down into your heart. And just allow a small exhale, arriving fully into this present moment using your breath as an anchor. With each breath, feel your body relaxing just a bit more. As you exhale, you feel tension releasing from your shoulders and your neck. Your face softens, your hands resting gently in your lap. With each exhale, it's as if a wave of relaxation from the top of your head all the way down to your feet is moving through your body. Become aware of roots growing from the soles of your feet, reaching deep into the earth. These roots are strong. They ground you. They connect you to the supportive energy of the earth. Feel yourself becoming more centered and stable with each breath in, with each exhale, connecting with earth energy. As you feel more and more grounded, become aware of a warm golden light rising up from the earth. It's traveling up through the roots, entering your body through your feet, feeling your body with a sense of calm and safety. This light, as it fills your body, will guide you as we explore your vision for the next year. And now let's journey into the future. You are in a field of infinite possibilities. You are picturing yourself on a perfect day, a day where everything feels in alignment. You start your day feeling energized and joyful. Take a moment, become aware of where you are, what is surrounding you. Take in the sights, take in the sounds, all the sensations of this moment. The colors, the textures, even the smells, and all the sounds. Allow yourself to feel and experience it as if it is so right this moment. As you move through your day, notice how you're feeling. Perhaps you feel a sense of deep peace. Perhaps you feel excitement, empowerment, fulfilled, in the flow. As you're moving through this day, pay attention to the energies, to the emotions, to the feelings of this perfect day. Take a moment and look around you. Where are you? Who are you with, if anyone? What activities are bringing you joy, or perhaps aligning you with your purpose? Take a few moments to notice the details. Allow this vision of your perfect day to unfold naturally without trying to force it. Spend a few moments enveloped by all that you're experiencing on this most perfect day. Now focus in on the feelings this ideal day is bringing out in you, because these feelings hold clues to your energy for the new year. What emotions stand out the most? Perhaps it's courage, playfulness, joy, ease. Trust whatever is arising, whether it be a word, a color, sensation, an image, a symbol. Whatever comes to you is perfect. And now let's anchor in this energy for the new year. Bring your awareness into your heart. Be aware of this beautiful glowing orb of pink light in your heart. See its color, feel its warmth. Allow this orb of light to expand and fill your entire being. Allow the energy that arose for you to be your guide, your anchor, your inspiration as you move into the new year. Take a deep breath in. Draw this energy into every cell of your body, breathing it in through your heart, expanding it out from the top of your head down to your feet. As you exhale, allow this energy to settle deeply within you. And then when you're ready, gently bring your awareness back to the present moment. Connect with your breath, feeling yourself breathing moving, wiggling your fingers and your toes very slowly. When you're ready, open your eyes and take a few moments to journal and reflect on what came up for you during this visualization. What energies revealed themselves to you? What images or colors or feelings came up? These energies are all here to guide and support you as you step over the threshold into a new year, a new month, a new day. So thank you for sharing this moment with me. And may your next period of time be filled with alignment and energy that speaks to your soul. Thank you for joining me.